I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Appsumo, the leading marketplace for entrepreneurs, but more on that later. I still remember when I started first collecting emails for my email list, maybe 8-9 years ago. Appsumo was doing a deal for a company called MailChimp, and I had to take advantage of that because it was such a good deal. That's why I love Appsumo, and I really like that we're partnering together on a lot of different projects because they do deals like this all the time. Cut to 2022, and we're now using Aweber and Lead Pages and all of these other software tools to ensure that our downloads get into the hands of you, our viewers. I love you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching all of our content and subscribing down below and liking. So right now we're using Lead Pages for our landing pages and Aweber for our email marketing. Aweber also has landing pages, I know, but it's not good for what we want to do. ClickFunnels, which we also have, has landing pages as well, but we don't use that for this either. And then for responding to any questions that come in on the newsletter, we use just a normal Gmail account, which Div runs, the team monitors, and we handle all of that back and forth using Gmail, G Suite, Google Workspace. You know how it is. Those are 3 apps in total, 3 monthly subscriptions. And I also mentioned ClickFunnels, so like 4, maybe 5. At one point we had Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, Unbounce, and possibly 2 to 3 more, all doing the exact same thing when it came to building landing pages and collecting emails. So many apps that do the same thing, and so many tools that really should be combined. If I was just starting out, I would have used something like Acumbamail. That's the product that we chose. If you guys don't know, the way that our sponsorship with Appsumo works is they let us talk about any of their deals on these videos. So we go through, we scour all of their amazing selection of deals, and then we share the best ones. And Acumbamail was the one I wanted to talk about today. With Acumbamail, you can create and manage email campaigns in a flash. And a quick note, the first 100 subscribers that sign up to Appsumo will get a 20% discount on Acumbamail or anything else on Appsumo by using the code AlexBerman20. So go over to appsumo.com and use the code AlexBerman20. It'll also help support the channel. Have you ever wondered why everyone, your parents, etc., your teachers, everyone just wants you to work a 9-to-5 button-up job until you're 65? What's gonna happen? Like, come on, nobody wants that. Now they're trying to raise the retirement age. It's not even 65. They want you to work this button-up job until you're 78. And then what? You're retired for 5 years? Come on. Nobody wants that. If you're anything like me, you want to do everything you can to rebel against that type of lifestyle because you're a creator, you're an entrepreneur. You want to be free to go to Paris in the afternoon and fly back. You don't want to have to talk to anybody, get permission from your boss. You want to be free to literally do whatever you want, dress however you want, work whenever you want, not work whenever you want. That's why we're in this. That's why we do what we do. We don't do what we do to stay boxed in. Otherwise, we'd just get a normal job and we'd probably make more money. But to make that happen, to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to wear a ton of hats. You need to be the accountant and the salesperson and the marketing person and the coder. And you need a lot of tools to pull this off. And that's where today's sponsor, Appsumo, comes in. As the leading digital marketplace trusted by over 1 million digital entrepreneurs, Appsumo is the place to go for great lifetime deals on software that will help you be better as an entrepreneur and as a creator. Appsumo's mission is to bust open the doors of entrepreneurship for everyone. So they have all the tools that you need to automate your business, automate your work, and not pay hefty monthly fees for all of these different products because they have great lifetime and annual deals on a ton of different tools. That way you can boost your productivity, scale beyond your skill set, and focus on something that you're actually passionate about. With that being said, let's talk about Acumbamail. You're gonna need Google Translate for Acumbamail off the bat. Let's click the Enters button. And we have, the team has provided me with this beautiful login. So we'll start by logging in to Acumbamail. And inside, luckily, it is in English. Acumbamail is a simple tool that will make your life easier when it comes to sending newsletters. If you send emails to your list with segmentation or automation, then this is going to be for you. Let's start by looking at the landing pages. Creating a lead magnet is very important for getting leads for your business. We actually just did a video recently how we got 300 email signups just by pushing people to a simple landing page. And you can create that on Acumbamail as part of the lifetime deal, so you don't have to spend monthly on a tool like Lead Pages or Aweber or whatever. With Acumbamail, you can create a beautiful and strong landing page with the templates that they have here. You can see they have everything that you would want in a landing page builder. They let you set up the landing page. You can add different columns and rows and content, buttons, HTML, everything you need. They let you preview it on desktop, on tablet, on mobile, so you can see exactly what's going on. So let's make a landing page here for one of our lead magnets. This is going to be the contract template that we host at email10k.com/contract. So let's go ahead and pick a template. Here is one. Enter the name of the page, contract template. And by the way, when you're watching this video, we might not have this page up. This is just going to be a demo. Let's just see how it works. The name is going to be contract template. Title is going to be contract template. Description is going to be contract template. And then we could link our own domain name here. So then it would be email10k.com/contract. For now, we are not going to do that. Now let's go over to the design. And if you've seen our lead magnet landing pages, you know I like to keep it unbelievably simple. So let's remove everything that makes this design special. I would just change manage your portfolio to get your free contract template. And then I would delete everything else on this page. I would delete, let me delete this. Let me delete this part. I'll delete this image. We'll delete this entire section. With a landing page, what I like to do, and why our landing pages get 80 to 90% conversions, is you want as little information on the landing page as possible. Keep in mind, the customer, by the time they get to this, has already been pre-sold via an ad, or via a tweet, or via me talking about it in a YouTube video. So any text that they see on the landing page will actually negatively persuade them rather than positively persuade them. So what I've found is by having a lot less text and just letting people see exactly what they expect, they're going to convert at a much higher rate. You can see our stats back this up. Typically, our conversion rate on our landing page is between 80 to 90%. And most people can't say that because they try to do this template method that you've just seen here. Notice how much I've deleted now. And then this will pop up, and then it'll ask for the email address, and they'll be on the list. So you can see, get your free contract template, and then you'd click here to add your email. There's also a cool lead organization section where you can add leads to different categories and make sure everything's very organized on the back end. When you're ready with everything, you can start sending your emails using the campaigns tab. And right here, you can send a newsletter, you can do A/B testing, you can set up an autoresponder, or even pull an RSS feed. So every time you post to the RSS feed, then it'll automatically send an email to the list. Let's do a newsletter. Campaign name would be new signups. Let's pretend this is the first newsletter we're sending. We'll send a welcome. Sender name, Alex Berman. Then you would upload your subscriber list, or if you had a subscriber list, they would be in here. Right now, we'll just send the campaign to ourselves. Then they have a ton of email templates in here as well. And I think if you just saw the last part, you know exactly what I want to do. So all you do if you wanted to send a newsletter with one of these templates is click the template, and then you can duplicate it into your own template, or you can use any of these templates. So all you do is select any number of these templates. Let's use this Valentine's Day 2x1 deal here. You know, you can edit this template however you want it. If you wanted this to say Valentine's Day, you know, instead of Valentine's Day, that's the correct spelling, if you guys don't know, then I would save this template. And from there, you can just send it to the list. And autoresponders work the exact same way. You create the template, you add it to the autoresponder, and now every time somebody signs up to your list, they will automatically get a drip of emails. This helps a lot for conversion because then you're not having to write every email every single day. You can just write an email and then know that as customers sign up to your list, they'll get email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5. And that helps automate the process of running an online business a lot more. Some of the other major features of Acumbamail are A/B testing, activity tracking, they have automated scheduling, they have real-time analytics and data, and they even have SMS and text message marketing. They also have their own SMTP server, so you can see all of your emails without leaving Acumbamail. You can see on the Appsumo deal all the great reviews. There's 325 reviews here. So let's check them out. Great email platform with generous monthly limits. In short, I'm in love with Acumbamail. Don't miss this gem from Podoladan. Stefano says, love the agency feature. I run a small digital agency and always watch for email marketing solutions for my customers. I love the Acumbamail agency feature, allowing me to set up client accounts and get them running in no time. Daniel Valido says, Acumbamail was really easy and quick to set up. So go over to Appsumo and check out Acumbamail. And as a special bonus to the channel, Appsumo is giving you 20% off Acumbamail or any deal on their platform. All you have to do is use the code AlexBerman20 to get 20% off. If you're on the email list like I am, you know that the Appsumo deals are game changers for your business. I've saved so much time and money over the years thanks to Appsumo, so definitely go ahead and check out Acumbamail or any of their other great deals. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.